What is up, you guys? Hello everyone, welcome back to another vlog. My name is Caroline, and if you're new here, thanks so much for visiting my channel, and feel free to subscribe for more videos like this. I post regularly about homemaking life, new wife life. Today I am finishing up. Sorry, it's really hot today, like really hot. It's the weekend of the 4th of July, and if you hear the AC, sorry for that AC humming noise. We'll get through this. I have a few more minutes till I get to the store. I have a few errands to do this weekend, or a few projects to do this weekend. Since it is the holiday weekend, I figured I could get some things done. So quickly, I just want to tell you guys about the DIY project I'm trying to do. Basically, I found a trash bin holder on the side of the road before we moved about a month ago, sometime back in May. And since we were moving, I didn't have time to, worry about fixing it up and everything. So now I decided to do it. Now that I got the time and everything, I went to Menards to get stain to see how that will look. And I don't like how the stain looks. So I am going to return the stain and just paint it with most likely spray paint. So I'm going to go out to the store to get some spray paint and just fix it up. I want it to look almost like farmhouse style, so gray with black hinges and a black handle. And I hope to get back on time to do this before it gets too dark, because it's the afternoon right now. But what is up, you guys? It's been a while since I've been on YouTube. In my last vlog, I talked about being gone for so long. So what is new with you guys? Drop a comment below on what's been going on. What is new with you all? Any new life adventures? Any summer vacations? Feel free just to drop a comment and let me know what's going on. I want to know what's going on in you guys' lives too. So enough of me talking. So buckle up and come along. Do you ever just want to pull over to the side of the road and just pick some beautiful flowers? Well, that's what I did. So on the way home from the store, I decided to pull over and pick some gorgeous tiger lilies. And yes, I do have some scissors on me because I actually did a project in my car earlier today. Hello everybody, so I am now now back home. Sorry for the dingy lighting. The sun is setting. It's now the evening time. The flowers are doing well. I just put them in some fresh water. I'm going to go ahead and just spray paint this trash bin holder before the sun goes down, before it gets really dark. This is the trash bin holder that I found on the side of the road. And as you can see, it's pretty old. It needs a lot of work, just like a makeover basically. I mean, it functions pretty well. As you can see here, I tried staining it with like a dark oak color, but it wouldn't take the stain properly. So I just figured this part is like kind of rough. So I just figured I'll just spray paint it gray with the black handle, and I'm gonna try my best to paint these black because these nails are pretty old and this whole thing is just kind of old and worn out, as you can see. So I didn't want to keep messing with this and make it worse than what it is. So I just plan on just painting over those handles once everything is completed. And this is the handle that I bought, and as you can see, I got this from Menards. It has 4 hooks in there, and this just has 1. So I'm gonna have to drill new holes in there, and then I'm gonna just spray paint the side to gray, the front gray, and then keep this top part, this grain, and just really wipe it down very, very well. It needs to be really, really clean. And I just practiced the stain yesterday, so when I get new paint, I like to sample it. I'm ready to get this project done. Okay everyone, here are the final results of the trash can holder. I actually decided to just have one coat of the spray paint. I figured one coat should be enough. And I might just go ahead and do a second coat sometime in the future, if possible, or if I need to. And this handle was a little tricky to put on, but I'm so glad we were able to figure out how to put this on. The wood was just very thick, and so we needed a different drill bit to create a bigger hole in there. And the inside, I just covered up with this bag because, of course, our trash is in there and it's gross. So, and on top of it, I just have this little basket that I thrifted many years ago, and I just use it to put the garbage bags inside of, like garbage bags to use. So it just holds the garbage bags, and these little garbage bags are for the other rooms. As of right now, it looks fine. It works very well, and I'm happy that it's finally done. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Feel free to subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care. Until next time. Bye, guys. What is on your tail? There's something on your tail. Okay, Lucy.